All right, you have $47 to spend on music and movie downloads. Each album download costs $7 and each movie download costs $8. So the first thing we need to do is make sure that the correct value is matched up with the correct variable. It says write and graph a linear inequality, but they're asking us to let X represent the number of albums. Let X represent the number of albums. And how much do you um, spend on an album? Album downloads cost $7. So we should have 7 as the coefficient on X. So for the ones that don't have 7 as the coefficient on X, can't be it. Um, so we've got 7 for X. We've got 8, which is the movie downloads, are $8. So 8y, 7x plus 8y. And really then what we're looking for, because we can see both of the graphs for A and D. The graphs for A and D both have the same line graph, they just are on different sides of it. So we say we have at most $47 to spend. So we need to have what we have, that 7x plus 8y. That 7x plus 8y has to be less than or equal to 47. It can't go above 47 because we don't have 47, more than 47. So which one has that? That's actually D. 7x, the amount that you spend on albums, and plus 8y, the amount that you spend on movies, has to be less than or equal to 47 because that's all we've got. And that becomes then D is the correct answer. Done.